Okay, so now it's time for my morning essential oil routine that I use after I get out of the shower. So I'm going to take Immortelle. This is our anti-aging blend. It's incredible for supporting healthy cell growth, and I roll it all over my face every single morning. I already did it, and I decided I'd just show you what I do instead of do what I do. Now I take Claricom. Claricom is the monthly women's blend. You guys, this has regulated my cycles unbelievably. Less symptoms, less discomfort. It's really phenomenal, and I use it proactively. So I use it every day, and I roll it right over my lower abdomen. Finally, I take Copaiba, and I do 2 drops under my tongue every morning. Copaiba, oh my gosh, you guys, magic sauce. But this is really helpful at lowering inflammation and supporting all the body's systems, including the immune system and even part of the brain. Now, the last thing that I do is another proactive measure where I support detoxification. I take 1 to 2 drops of Zindocrine essential oil, which is our detox blend, and I apply it right over my liver and right over my kidneys. So that's my morning essential oil routine that I do once I get out of the shower.